Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening your project folder in Visual Studio Code so you can run code from the correct context. Make sure the runtime you need is already installed. This avoids runtime errors later. Once done, inspect the Explorer and confirm a VSCode folder or workspace settings exist. These control how tasks and debugging behave. If you have multiple projects, open the root folder for the one you intend to execute, so VSCode uses the right environment and extensions. Next, configure execution, create or edit. VSCode/tasks, JSON to define build or run tasks. This gives reproducible commands. Then create VSCode/launch, JSON to map a debugger type to your program entry point so breakpoints work. Make sure the program path, args, and environment variables are correct. This is why tests fail otherwise. Also install extensions like Python or C# that provide debug adapters. Once configured, run the task or start the debugger to finally run your program using the Run and Debug panel or invoke the task from Terminal Run Task. You'll see output in the integrated terminal or debug console. Verify behavior by checking logs, stdout, and the problem's pane for compile or lint errors. If something goes wrong, reproduce the issue, then make sure launch and task paths are correct. If it persists, restart VSCode, disable extensions that might interfere, and clear workspace cache or rebuild dependencies as a key troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.